Welcome to the AGPIAL Audiobook production of Docker Solution Brief. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's go. Build, share, and run any app, anywhere. Loved by millions of developers. Trusted by thousands of businesses. With over 13M active developers and more than 13B image pulls per month, we've got you covered. Docker is the #1 most wanted and #2 most loved developer tool, and helps millions of developers build, share and run any app, anywhere on-prem or in the cloud. Why Docker? Docker provides the productivity and collaboration developers rely on with the scale and security businesses demand. Docker enables greater developer productivity, 13x increase in release frequency and 65% reduction in developer onboarding time. Docker delivers flexibility and scale for businesses, any application, any OS, any infrastructure. Docker ensures security, multi-layer security that's automatically enforced and 90% reduction in time to remediate issues. What is Docker? The Docker platform, including Docker Desktop, provides developers an integrated, reliable, and secure developer experience that accelerates app delivery from code to the cloud. Through a combination of the world's largest marketplace of components and trusted content including Docker official images and Docker verified publisher images, and integrations with leading tools, Docker allows teams to rapidly build, share and run innovative applications. Build, share, and run any app, anywhere. Docker is committed to continually providing new innovation for developers. In the last year alone, we have delivered many key capabilities to enable greater productivity, collaboration and security for developers including image access management, vulnerability scanning, audit logs, Docker Desktop on Apple Silicon, Docker Compose v2, scoped personal access tokens, Docker Dev environments, and more. Check out our public roadmap for more information. Build. Simplify and standardize how teams build cloud-native applications. Compose applications from Docker official and verified publisher images from a trusted marketplace. Secure and automate app dev pipelines powered by best off-breed tools, platforms, and services. Share. Collaborate and share context and insights across team members. Push applications from a developer's desktop to any cloud or container provider with ease. Publish applications for internal use, or share with millions of developers through Docker Hub. Run. Deploy and run multi-container applications. Integrate and run seamlessly with leading cloud production environments. Commit to sustainable innovation and choice through open standards. We've updated the license terms for Docker Desktop. Businesses benefit from their developers' use of Docker Desktop. Faster delivery of secure applications deployable to any cloud or on-prem infrastructure. The Pro, Team, and Business subscriptions provide organizations with additional value in Docker Desktop with capabilities for managing secure software supply chains, centralizing policy visibility and control, and managing users and access. The use of Docker Desktop now requires a paid subscription, Pro, Team, or Business, for as little as $5 a month. For professional use in larger enterprises, more than 250 employees or more than $10 million in annual revenue. The effective date of these terms is August 31, 2021. There is a grace period until January 31, 2022 for those that will require a paid subscription to use Docker Desktop. Docker Business equals management and security at scale. The new Docker Business subscription enables organization-wide management and security for businesses that use Docker for software development at scale. With an easy-to-use SaaS-based management plane, IT leaders can now efficiently monitor and manage all their Docker development environments and accelerate their secure software supply chain initiatives. In addition to all the capabilities available in the Pro and Team subscriptions, Docker Business adds the ability to control what content developers can access from Docker Hub, ensuring teams are building securely from the start by using only trusted base images. And shortly, Docker Business will provide SAML SSO, the ability to control what registries developers can access, and the ability to remotely manage Docker Desktop instances. Next steps: purchase a paid Docker subscription. We know this could be a big change for some organizations, and we're committed to helping you make this transition between now and Jan 31, 2022, as smooth as possible. To help get you started, we've outlined several key next steps, Identify the Docker desktop installations in your organization. Determine the total number of Docker desktop seats you will need. Compare all the features of the different subscription levels. https://www.docker.com/pricing. Purchase a subscription here, or talk to Docker Sales to create a proposal. Get the process started for vendor onboarding as soon as possible. Docker Paid Subscription Tiers: Pro 1 User. Extended Docker capabilities and Pro tools for individual developers. $5 per month. Commercial Use Docker Desktop. Unlimited private repositories. 5 concurrent builds. 300 hub vulnerability scans. Docker Paid Subscription Tiers. Team, 5+ users. Capabilities for collaboration, productivity and security for teams. Minimum 5 seats, $7 per user per month. Everything in Pro, Plus. Commercial Use Docker Desktop. Unlimited teams. 15 concurrent builds. Unlimited vulnerability scans. Business, 50+ users. Centralized management and security for medium and large businesses /user/month. $21. Everything in Team, Plus. Commercial Use Docker Desktop. Centralized management. Image access management. SAML SSO, coming soon.